Bloomberg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Rutherford or 4 miles south of Spindale, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cliffside, Henrietta, Harris, Lattimore, Mooresboro, Bostic, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Forest City, Spindale, and Caroline. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cleveland and Rutherford,